Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and finally I am here after a super so long gap. I know that's a long gap, 1 year long gap. I stopped recording videos I think last year April, and now I'm back online. I had to invest my time in some personal things which I can't ignore, or it was not avoidable, so I had to invest my time there. And this was it. That year is gone. This is a fresh new year. From now onwards, I'll be posting every video, or I'll be posting each video every 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks you'll find new videos in different categories. I'll be posting in origami categories, I'll be posting DIY crafts, I'll be making multiple new things, and definitely in the last entire year I have purchased so many gadgets, so many gadgets, and I'll be doing unboxing. Plus, I'll be doing the review videos of each and every object, or each and every instrument, or each and every device. There are multiple things, so all falls in different categories. Some are electronics, some are just the tech stuff, some are lights, some are lamps. There are different stuffs which I bought last year. There are some cleaning gadgets, tech cleaning gadgets. It's a lot of devices, lot of content will be coming soon on this channel, so stay tuned. And this is the introductory video, guys, because I'm here after long back to you guys, so please stay tuned. And apologies again, I'm really sorry that I stopped recording videos and literally disappeared, but now they won't be going back again. So stay tuned on this channel and stay subscribed. Hit the like button to all the videos. There are multiple videos already. Go ahead and share this channel with as many people as you can. That will help us make multiple videos reach out to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys, and this was just an introductory video for the new beginning of my new channel, or new beginning of my old channel. So stay tuned and thank you.